Hi everyone, so today I want to show you how to microneedle your skin. This is a Derma roller, it's 0.25. I also have another one which is 0.5. Today I will show you on a smallest, tiniest needle how to do it. Remember, you can roll any direction on your face. The only thing when you roll your eyes, I would recommend to roll right here, just go up, all the time up. Just don't go like that down, okay? Just go up. But in these places where we form cross fits, we can roll any side. But here we'll go up. And then any other area, any side you like. That, and that. Same with that side of the face, but remember that you always in control of the pressure. So your pressure can be light, or your pressure could be like very strong. So go light first, and then listen to your skin and see how your skin responds. If you see like a lot of redness, let your skin to calm, and slowly you will build tolerance. My tolerance is very high now because I do a lot for my skin, so I can press really strong. But I have so many questions, and my clients and my friends ask me what this roller does, why it's so good for your skin. Guys, every time when you roll your clean skin, you make like a little holes in your skin, and your skin will produce a lot of your own stem cells. And then when you have all these stem cells on the surface of your skin, if you will use one of our nano serums or our hyaluronic acid or our AHA, this serums has very small molecule. So when you will put drop of this serum on a place where you rolled and you will massage it, so little molecules of this serum will act like a magnet for your own stem cells. And then if you will massage it really good for probably like around 40 seconds to a minute, your blood stream, your blood circulation will help to penetrate these small molecules together with your stem cells really deep into your skin, and results will be incredible. Try it, you will notice such a huge difference. I do it every night. Sometimes I do it also in the morning. The only thing, your skin might be a little pinkish, but again, if you do it at night, in morning you wake up and you feel amazing and you look amazing. So try it, it's really nice. And you see it's penetrated and my skin doesn't look greasy. It looks actually very nice and glowing. And I will show you my skin now after I will apply some sunscreen, and you will see how it looks.